Hi guys, most of them get answer 28 for this problem. It is wrong. Let's see. Here 4, 10 plus 4 times this 2. Here 10 plus 4 is 14 times this 2. 14 times 2 is 28. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS, addition and subtraction. This is first priority and this is second priority. This is third and this one is fourth. Here multiplication and divisions are equal priority, that is third priority. Addition and subtractions are fourth priority, equal priority. We have to follow this left to right order in the equation. So we'll see the correct way of doing this problem. Now we have to do this bracket first as per this order of operations. So 10 plus this is 4 times this 2. Now here addition and multiplications. Multiplication is higher priority, which is third priority. You have to do this now. So 10 plus, here it is 8. So 10 plus 8 is 18. This is the correct answer.